This is a good video to watch if you're planning on coming to the Richmond Waterfront from San Francisco on the Richmond Ferry. It also gives an opportunity for the East Bay people to take the ferry over to San Francisco after the hike and maybe have dinner in San Francisco and make it to the last ferry by 8 o'clock. So have a good look at this one and you'll see a lot of information. This was a nice hike today. We did 6.5 miles and it was a beautiful day. We saw a lot of waterfowl and the views were great. Had a nice lunch at the Assembly Marketplace and looking forward to July 8th. I think that's going to be a lot of fun incorporating the ferry into this outing. Hope to see you then. What do you think of this area, this nice hiking area?
Oh,
walking.
It's so beautiful. It's so close to my house, and to not have ever gone here, it's just shame on me.
Yeah, it's close to a lot of people's houses.
It's beautiful.
It is.
And it's a beautiful day.
Look at this. Beautiful day. Well, I think
he's filming.
So Helen, what's your impression?
Oh, it's beautiful out here. Gorgeous scenery, nice to be by the water, and quiet. Midnight over here.
Like a sea breeze blowing. Yeah. Well, they have to have fun too. But we're going to check out the ferry.
Yay. Okay. But it's very hard to get. I have to fly from here to Boston, from Boston, take a bus from Boston to Portland, and then from Portland another bus to Denver. And they book all the hotels, and it's nice because you get most of their trips, you can get a single.
So we've walked over to Vincent Park. It's my first time out here.
The water just looks this calm and pretty as can be. I wonder why people aren't fishing out here. It's further on the before you get to the
Oh, look at that trimaran. That's an ocean-going trimaran. There it is. Wow.
This is really pretty.
Let's go to Hawaii. Well, here we have some happy geese. They're not paying any attention to me or my camera. They're just having lunch and pooping away.
Trying to figure out where do you come from? Where do you pick people up from?
Local fare is $2.50. Youth, seniors, and persons with disabilities fare $1.25.
Casio Ranch.
On the Casio Ranch.
Yeah,
Where's that?
it's like on your way to Pinole,
Oh.
or not Pinole. It's in that area, but on your way to Orinda.
Casio Ranch on the way to Orinda.
Is that St. Pablo Dam Road?
Yeah.
So do you make other stops or just?
Yeah, up and down 23rd and San Pablo Dam and Castro Ranch.
And you connect to BART?
The other one does.
Oh, there's another bus that comes through here.
Yeah, and then there's a 74 that goes to Hilltop.
Oh, okay.
So they're all 74s. It just depends on the one.
Yeah, all of them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Phone number
Got
and
it.
So we all stop at BART going in both directions. I mean.
Got it.
Uh-huh.
You asked if he liked.
Oh no, that's an egret.
Can you see?
I know, I see. Oh, happy dog. Is that a French bull?
Yeah.
Very cute. Oh my gosh. Dog's adorable too.
So, it's like,